Hello and welcome to Huptech Talks. This podcast is brought to you by Huptech Web Team. This show covers the latest global digital marketing and e-commerce insights from certified experts. Are you looking for opportunities to sharpen their skills? Huptech Talk have the route. Let's accomplish together.
Hey guys, do you know the importance of social media in your business? Today I'll be giving you 10 secret tips to supercharge your social media strategy. I am your host Yash from Huptech Web. Let's get started. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience, to build your brand, to increase your sales, drive website traffic, and many more. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat are the major social media platforms. In the initial days, social media marketing was used to generate traffic to your websites and to generate more sales. But nowadays, the goals of social media are too different from that. Now brands are using social media for analyzing their customers' feedback, interest, and conversations. Also, it is used to engage their customers. Before discussing the 10 secret tips of social media strategy, let's quickly look out to some brands which are using their social media quite differently and getting unbelievable revenue. Let's take an example of Coca-Cola. Even the biggest brand in the world can struggle to maintain a cohesive brand image. This was why in 2018, Coca-Cola launched their Refresh the Feed campaign, in which their social media channels went momentarily dark before being replaced with a brand new image. The campaign also happened to coincide with World Kindness Day, an event that sets the tone for Coca-Cola's core themes of positivity and inclusivity. Refresh the Feed drew a ton of positive feedback on social media and got more than 69 million impressions in one day, as well as 1.4 million engagements. Visit to the Coca-Cola website were also 600% higher than the average. Even Red Bull did the same. Red Bull's YouTube channel increased by 9 million subscribers and a further 3.9 million across their different channels. This is evidence of how the brand's video-driven content strategy successfully appeals to all type of sports fan. Red Bull is perhaps most famous for its world record called Space Jump. With the help of Austrian daredevil Mr. Felix as a part of Red Bull's project, he jumped to Earth from a helium balloon from the stratosphere and landed in New Mexico, USA. With this event, they got a 2.6 social media mention on the day. These experimental videos and clever partnership helped them for a branding and become the hallmark of their successful social media strategy. So now let's move forward with the secret social media strategy, which you can use to expand your business. Number 1. Goals and objectives. The first step to create a winning strategy is to establish your objectives and goals. Without goals, you cannot measure the success and ROI. You have to choose what is your goals, like developing brand awareness, increasing size of social communities, increasing customer loyalty, monitoring customer feedback, lead generation, and conversion. So first, you have to choose your goals and objective, and according to that, you can choose your social media platform. Number 2. Content. This process involves digging deep into your brand values as well as researching your audience. Content is the king, and king never compromise. You have to set everything, your post timings, your content type, your monthly calendar, each and everything. If you keep posting the same content for days and days, it will not work at all. No matter how amazing the content is. You have to balance your post with information, humor, promotion, personal photograph, portfolio. You cannot win this game with any single one of them. Number 3. Layout and designing. People ignore the design that ignores people. User interface play a major role in website, and same way it is right for social media too. There are many patterns of posting your content, but make sure to use the same kind of templates and very selected colors in your posts. It will help you with branding also. And by doing this, people will start connecting with your brand by your colors. Number 4. Follow current trends. You have to stay connected with social trends to boost your engagement. Well-known brands and influencers are doing the same. There are certain trends or campaigns where you have to use some hashtag and post according to that concept. So people love to check the post on that concept. So you can utilize that concept according to your brand needs. Social media contest. Social media contest and giveaway always work. Either it is your social media or any digital marketing platform. You will find the benefits of giveaway can bring you a return on investment as compared to most of marketing strategy. These are some of reasons you might think about running a giveaway. It will help you to grow your network. Running a giveaway is a fantastic way to build your social media following on sites like Facebook and Twitter. It will help you to generate leads as well. It will save your money. Running a giveaway can be an inexpensive and cost-effective marketing channel. The cost associated with running a giveaway can be low and predictable. It will help you to gain a product exposure. Launching your product with a giveaway is an amazing way to generate a buzz around your brand. Using your product as a giveaway's prize is one way to get people excited about your products and try it out. Also, running a giveaway is a great way to show your appreciation to your fans and followers. Everyone loves the chance of winning. There's nothing more joyful than delivering the good news to your winners. Relative to the other marketing channels, running giveaway can be a blast. Number 6. Live sessions. Live streaming is the broadcasting of a live video to people over the internet. All you need to live stream is an internet-enabled device like a smartphone, tablet, laptops, computers, and a platform to publish on. You can broadcast anything you are doing across the world without delay or edit. Thanks to live streaming tools such as Facebook Live, Instagram Live, YouTube Live for making it easy for anyone to broadcast live video to the world. Here are a few reasons why live streaming is so important for your business and a personal brand. It encourages trust and transparency. It consumes content on your time. It's cost effective. It is real-time engagement. It is fastest growing industry. Yes, live video streaming is one of the fastest growing industries. Apart from the platform built for live streaming, most of social media channels are now promoting the live videos. The live streaming industry is here to stay and it is taking over. Consistency. Very well said by Don Johnson, success isn't always about greatness. It's always about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success and greatness will come. You have to be consistent with posting on social media. The more you post, the more you grow. But your content should not feel like a spam, otherwise you will lose your engagement. Be consistent, but keep changing your strategy. This is the ultimate solution of this problem. Number 8. Interact with your followers. There are many ways to interact with your social media connections, like respond via comment replies, try to reply to everyone via inbox, create interesting polls, host Q&A sessions. These interactions will help you to boost your engagement and feel more personalized. Number 9. Use proper tools for analysis. As I mentioned in our first podcast, that analysis is the most important factor to improve your social media game. Try to track what is working and what is not. Also check your competitor's profile and do analysis from their profile too. It will help you to create a quality of content. I have explained this topic with details, so if you didn't check it yet, go through our first podcast too. Number 10. Divert your traffic. Driving more traffic to your website from your social media is so important. You can promote your own different social media handles and start cross-posting your content. It will help you to gain more followers and social media connection over each platform. So yes guys, that was it for today's podcast. Before ending this podcast, I want to inform you that these big brands, of which I have given example of, have used to invested millions of dollars for their social media campaigns. And I wish you will reach that level too by following this 10 secret strategy. Best of luck and thank you so much for participating and engaging mentally to this episode. Now it's your time to take some actions. Apply these insights to your business and make a difference for people. We will be back soon with some more amazing marketing insights. So make sure to leave a like and tell us in comment section what topic you want us to cover next. Till then, take care and stay tuned with Tech Talks.